Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at plug stock. This is PLUG, which is down today by 3.13%. But is it a bad thing? Well, we'll be speaking about that and a lot more over the course of this video. If it sounds like a good episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. Although I'd like you to remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice. Now that I've said that though, we might as well jump straight in and get to looking at this stock over the past day. Well, like I say, it is down today by over 3% at the time of filming. However, what you are still seeing to an extent is this stock beginning to level out. Now, this has been the issue with this stock over the last couple of days, because if you have a look at the trend, this is very, very clearly visible, and we've been speaking about this for a couple of days as well. The stock has been on a major run for the last few weeks. You look from September actually into where we are now, the stock is obviously rising quite a bit, and yes, I know we're in September, but I mean early September. The stock is rising quite a bit since that time frame, right? And you ultimately see this coming to a head around $3, $3.10. So now you're seeing this come down a bit. Now we are seeing the angle of this move down slow slightly. We're beginning to see this one slow a little bit. Today was red, and again, I don't think that's necessarily a good thing. But what you do notice here when you look at this stock is that we are coming up to levels where we are potentially finding a support. These ranges could be 220, 222, 223. This sort of range is one to watch out for. I think if you're able to see that hold, then you could be looking for a push up. This could take us to resistance levels such as 245, then onto levels such as 255 for a potential push onto 260. From there, you're looking to retest up to 270, 275, ultimately up to 280. From there, you could go into $3 where things get very interesting. But also, the downside potential is very real here. Again, if you don't hold this 222 range, I think you are looking for a potential push down to 215 for a low below that of 205, 206. If that doesn't hold, guys, I personally think the movement is off. Now, this one's one of those stocks where it could go either way. I think it is a speculative play right now anyway, so that must be factored into your strategy, in my opinion. But yeah, this is a stock that's been up huge, so I think this was a cool off, or is a cool off, that we needed to see. The question is just, though, are we able to just see it as a cool off? Does it just play out as a cool off, or does it become more of a significant and sustained drop? Only time will tell, guys, but these are some of the levels that I'm personally looking to. Again, I'd love to hear your thoughts on that in the comment section. Thank you for your time, guys. Hopefully see you again soon. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.